got some Jeepers here. That's where we're heading. We tagged you last night. How's it going?
AOAA? Yeah. We got a bunch of our group going.
It's supposed to be on the way. Route's on the way. There's nothing.
Girl. I like the older body.
Alright, we're at AOAA. Guess we're going to take the West Trail. I'm ready.
Am I going first?
Yes, you have the map keeper.
Show your band. There are numbers on the map, but there's no numbers on the trails.
Now look a little deeper.
Yeah, just follow my line, you'll be alright. Crazy? If you feel it start dipping in, turn to the right, it gets shallower.
Just stay to the right.
Yeah, should I just stay to the right?
Yeah, you'll make it either way. He wasn't that deep.
On the next one, I'll get a video.
I just don't look deep.
Nah, but I was wondering what all the fuck was about on the right side. You want to do whaleback or overlook?
Don't matter, whichever one you guys want to do.
I'd say overlook.
Yeah, that looked a little mucky, huh?
Yeah, it felt like I was dropping down a shelf too.
The markings are horrible, but we should be somewhere. We started going like this. We were like, yeah, no.
I'm surprised you backed out as easy as you did. That front wheel was like to here. It didn't even spin. It just went like, romp. Well, shit. Cool. How far are we on the trail? I didn't even look.
It's hard to tell.
All right, that was just a guesstimate.
But all this 101, 114, none of them are marked.
Ooh, this bank's a little, yeah, a little bit. Oh, it almost looks like a trail at the top of that, doesn't it? Can't be though. Wow, there's some pretty high peaks. If you think this is fun, wait till you go to Moab. You gonna make it to Moab too, Nick?
Nope.
What? Why not? It's easier than this. There's no huge mud water holes. It's all super grippy rock. Well, some of it's bumpy getting up to it, but you could disconnect your sway bar. I've seen him do it on this. Yeah, I don't know. I think you probably got to take the whole link out. I guess you could take the top link out and let it slide over on your thing and just tie wrap it there. Cause these behind our house is worse than this. Pretty steep, although it doesn't look like it. That Liberty crawl's good.
High road or low road?
Whichever, doesn't matter. There goes Nick. Woo, it's steep.
I didn't know it was that steep. I had to hold all this stuff in my passenger seat back. Yeah, it was a pretty good grade. Oh boy, got a low clearance here.
Yeah, I got my chainsaw.
But I can make it under that tree.
Well, that's steep.
Yeah.
Great. Might as well shut it off a little. He's gonna walk it.
Doesn't lead anywhere.
Ah.
I'm right there.
It's all rotten. We can cut that.
Alright.
I didn't even see that. What the hell? That's a big rock. Get to try out the Milwaukee. My camera glasses keep locking up. Great. I'm rolling. I'm right behind you. Yep, just keep momentum. You'll be alright. Now keep an eye on his front driver's side wheel. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. You just lost the tie rod.
Ball joint looks like.
Ah, upper ball joint, mother.
You picked a fine time to leave me loose wheel.
Put in park. Alright, we're gonna have to get a jack under this and try to push that back and wire it.
Alright.
It happens. The ball joint must have been going. Alright, we're gonna have to try to get it back up in there and wire the shit out of it. We're gonna have to get another tie rod now, which is that whole upper piece. Oh, mother. This side up in the air as much as we can, and we're probably gonna end up having to rope it. You might have to turn around and just
Winch him up.
winch them up slow.
Yeah.
You know, because even when we rope that on, when he turns, it's going to be tightening against it. I mean, the good part is there's no pressure on it. That just has to stay down.
Yeah.
I was afraid of this. This is the weak points of Independent. My camera glasses lock up again. So we called in and told them we weren't going to make the deadline for leaving the park because we lost a ball joint.
Broken Jeep.
Yeah, he's got upper ball joint popped out.
Yeah, well, you made it back.
Exactly. But that was pretty much the end of our wheeling adventure. So roped it up after I hammered the ball joint back in and just eased it home. 3 hours out of the woods, 3 hours on the road, and then we fixed it.